Hi guys. So I thought I would try this on Friday night and see how the interruptions go. Fingers crossed. So we're going to turn to page 17 in the Unit 2 packet. Lesson 7. It's on solutions of equations and graphs. So we're going to think of this as a side skill, and I'll bring it kind of full circle. You know how I tell stories about the lemonade stand and like the babysitting thing and everything. We'll do that a little bit later. Right now I don't want to make the video too long. So points that lie on the line represent solutions to the equation, and they are in the form of x comma y. So we talked about the ordered pairs. Solutions are replacements for the x and y variables that make the equation true. I'll explain what that means. And I don't really say replacements when I speak. I usually say it's a substitution. The graph is a picture of all the solutions to an equation. So this straight line includes many points, and there are points even in between the ones they're showing. We generally just make a point on a perfect point of intersection where you have integer ordered pairs, right? Points that lie off the line will make the equation false, therefore will not be a solution. So here's our little chart, which we might need to come back to because I like doing the examples. And then kind of coming back to that stuff because right now I'm probably not making a ton of sense until you actually do it, right? So let's practice. Several solutions to an equation are represented by the line in the graph to the right. Even though you don't know the equation, use the graph to answer the following questions. So this is kind of the reverse of what we did in class Friday, or for some of you Tuesday. Is 1, 3 a solution to the equation? So in order to be able to answer this, you have to know how to plot points. So 1, 3. Okay. 1, 3. Remember, this is your x and this is your y. And the x-axis, if you remember, we talked about the x-axis. If you put your finger on it, it goes left or right. And any value associated with the y-axis or any y value is referring to an up and down motion. So if you come over here, this one is going to tell you you're going to go right. And the y is positive, so it's going to tell you to go up. Of course, the 1 was positive, that's why we're going right. So where do we start when we plot points? So we're going to come over here, and we're going to start at the origin. Here they come. We're going to start at the origin, which is right here. And we can either go up 3 and take a right and go 1, or we can start at the origin and go right 1, up 3. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to see we land right on this point, which is on the line. Can I help you? I'm making a video. What do you need?
Sorry. Can me and Haley have some juice? And we just came up to get a charger for Haley's phone.
Okay.
We were playing a really fun card game in Roblox, and I got a bus.
Awesome. Brady got a bus in Roblox. Okay, go get your snack. Bye. I'm making a video.
Who is that?
That's nobody, but they're waiting for you to leave.
Hi. Bye.
All right, let's go back. So we're checking if 1, 3 is a point on this line. And so we figured, okay, if we go up 3 and right 1, this is a point on the line. So yes, because this is a point on the line, it is a solution. How do you know? The point is on the line. This is why I cannot do this any other time but early in the morning. That's all right. I'm sure you're okay. All right, so let's try that again with the point 0, 5. So you're going to do the same thing. My concern is, how comfortable are you plotting points? So 0, 5, right here. Remember, the x value tells you left or right. Well, we're not moving. This is 0. So the only thing we're going to be doing is a y motion, which is either up or down. So the only thing we're doing from the origin is going up 5. Ready? Go to your graph. Start at the origin and go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see that that is a point that lies on this line. Therefore, it is a solution to this equation. The point is on the line. Or you can say lies on the line. Okay? So, the first one was yes. The second one was yes. I wonder what the third one's going to be. In question 3, it's asking if 1, 2 is a solution to the equation, and how do you know? So, just to review again, 1, 2. This is an x value, so it's going to tell you whether you go right or left. It's positive, so you're going to go right. And the 2 is a y value, so this will indicate whether you go up or down. And because it's positive, you will go up. Doesn't there's a cat. It doesn't really matter which way you go first, as long as you start at your origin. So let me get everything in the picture here. So if we start at the origin, we could go up 2, 1, 2, and right 1, and land here, right here. Or we could start at the origin and go right 1, up 2, still landing at the same spot. Key is that you start at the origin and follow the directions. It doesn't matter the order when you actually go to find your point. Since this point here, 1, 2, is not a point on the line, we would say that 1, 2, or the ordered pair 1, 2, is not a solution to this equation. How do I know? The point does not lie on the line. All right, we're going to put, you know what we're going to do? We're going to put a little triangle, all of us together, around the 17. And I think you know why, before we call it a day. So that is the end, my friends. We're just going to do half of lesson 7 because we're going to finish the rest of it tomorrow. And you are going to do some practice with this skill because I am a little bit worried that plotting points is going to be something that you need a refresher skill or refresher activity on. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for showing up.